Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to download Pico Park on your PC. First, ensure you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a popular gaming platform that allows access to a vast array of games. If you haven't installed it yet, navigate to the official Steam website using your web browser. Click the Install Steam button in the top right corner and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the Steam client. After you've installed Steam, open the application. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. Click on Create a Free Account and fill in the required details, including your email address and a strong password. Once you've registered, log in with your account details to access the main interface. Next, find the search bar in the top right corner. Click on it and type Pico Park. The game should appear in the search results. Click on its title to view the store page for more information. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After buying the game, navigate to the Library tab at the top. You'll see Pico Park listed among your games. Click on it to open its library page, then press the Install button. A window will appear asking where you want to install the game on your PC. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, a Play button will appear in your library. Click it to launch Pico Park. That's all for this guide. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.